Hi, Advantage Home Improvement. I'm reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. I spent some time reviewing your website, especially since you are getting traffic from Google Ads, and I want to share a few ideas on how we can turn more visitors into actual customers reaching out to you. Right now, your phone number is on the site. There you go. And which is great, but it's not always easy for visitors to spot right away. Sometimes it's tucked away for only a certain pages. No, let me check that. Um, yeah, it's only you only have one page, by the way. And for someone who's ready to call, especially in an emergency, they should have not, hunt for your number. What I recommend is adding a sticky header or footer that keeps your phone number and email visible no matter where someone is on the site. Plus, making those clickable on mobile means people can just tap and call or email instantly. I also noticed that there isn't a chat feature. Adding a chat widget can really boost engagement because it gives visitors the quick, low pressure way to ask questions or get help without having to pick up the phone or fill out a form. It's like having friendly assistant right 24/7. Speaking of forms, I can see that you didn't have a contact form. So let me check that. Yeah, you don't have it. Yeah, we also have to add a the contact form, which is really useful. It's useful, but we just might be asking a little bit. If we ask too much into like info, like asking too much info upfront, we will have it really simple. We make of the we simpler the simpler the form, just the essentials like name, phone or email, and a quick message, the more people will actually fill it out. I think of it like a, checkout line in a store. The faster, the easier it is, the more customer complete the purchase. Also, adding some testimonials or certifications near your contact info can really help build trust when people see the others, that others have had great experiences with you. They're more comfortable reaching out. And of course, we want to make sure that the site loads quickly and works perfectly on phones and tablets because most people browse the way that these days. If the site is slow or clunky, people just leave. So to sum it up, let's make your phone number and email pop and keep them visible all the time. Add a chat widget to catch visitors who want quick answers. Simplify your contact form to reduce friction. Add some trust signals near your contact points. And optimize for mobile and speed. If we tackle those, you'll see more calls, emails, and chats before coming, and and that means more leads and sales. So what do you think? Should we start prioritizing these changes to get the most out of your website traffic? Yeah? Oh, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie, and I actually work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips helpful, and we offer a free strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply I'm interested and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. That's all for now. Thank you.